Attach it to a clear package and put the candy inside. Add details. My blue-eyed friend has a sweet tooth. A giant Raffaello attracts her attention at once. She just can't resist tasting it. But it is not that easy to eat that huge ball of candy. A silhouette of a giant Raffaello shows up here and there. Her hands have got tired holding this heavy weight. The blue-eyed girl makes a cup of tea, breaks the candy, and tries to eat it this way. But the sweet tooth has bitten off more than she can chew. She's eaten only half, and her stomach is ready to pop. This is what I find her in the kitchen. I've got you, sweet tooth. Once the blue-eyed girl is ready to enjoy her Chupa Chups, an unexpected phone call distracts her. I need to take advantage of it. It is not healthy to eat that many candies. I swap her regular candy for its mini version. Cut off the tips of a Q-tip. Add a few drops of blueberry jam to a tablespoon of sugar and melt it above a fire. Rotate the Q-tip to let the caramel wrap around, shaping a ball. Print out a small-sized Chupa Chups label. Cut it out. Once the candy cools down, wrap it in a clear wrapping. Put on the label with a clear cover on top. Tape to fasten. Cut off the excess stick. The blue-eyed girl finishes talking on her phone. But what is it? The only thing left from her Chupa Chups is a wrapper, and a tiny lollipop that isn't bigger than her nail has appeared instead of it. Well, as long as I don't have a normal-sized lollipop, I will eat this one. I should be careful not to swallow it together with a stick. I wonder what is inside this big Skittles package. Are there a million colorful candies in it? I want to take it, but my friend doesn't want to give it away. All of a sudden, our sweet treasure rips open, and a giant Skittle asteroid falls onto us instead of a Skittles rainbow. Open up a 2-pound package of green sugar paste. Knead it nicely and shape it into a big flattened ball, layer by layer. Roll out a piece of sugar paste. Cut out a circle using a plate. Wrap it around the main detail. Turn it over and cover the other side in the same way. Smooth out the seam. Write a big S letter with a white food marker. Glue a large Skittles label to red paper. Make a package and put in the giant candy and glue the edge. This Skittles is strange, huge, and terrifying. It looks like a flying object. Emma wants to cut it with regular tableware to see what's inside of it, and I decide to split the treasure in half. But the extraterrestrial metal is a hard nut to crack. Then Emma takes Thor's hammer, but it's useless anyways. Let me try the trident of Neptune, or rather, a bident. I managed to prick this giant, but not more than that. Then my friend tries a tough method, so she just bites it. The unknown flying object tastes like regular sugar paste. Nothing mysterious about it. The blue-eyed girl wants to eat Snickers, but I want to eat it too. The problem is that we only have one chocolate bar, and it is very small, but we can fix it in a moment. Take 5 bars of 3½ ounces of toffee. Melt 2 ounces of dark and 1 ounce of white chocolate in a double boiler. Add 1 ounce of peeled peanuts and mix it. Put 2 toffee bars side by side, and the third one on top to cover the joint. Cover the toffee bricks with the chocolate and peanut cement. Put 2 more bars on top and cover the toffee with a thick chocolate layer. Melt 1 ounce of dark and 1 ounce of white chocolate and spread it all over the giant Snickers. Glue 2 printed labels to make a wrapper. Put the bar inside and glue the package. Make a zigzag cut across the edge. My new Snickers bar is big and tasty. Now my friend is jealous of me, but I will also start eating my sweet Snickers right under her nose. Let her practice her willpower and finish eating her regular bar. Did you like our sweet magic? Then write in your comments which candy you would like to make bigger and which one smaller. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss the sweetest things on our channel.